All right, welcome to the Chapter 12 Multiple Choice Summative Assessment. Don't forget to use your strategies. Pause the video when you need to, rewind it when you need to hear the question again. Cross off answers you know that are ridiculous or wild or are obviously incorrect, so that if you have to guess, you're bettering your odds. Okay, so let's get going here. Question number 1. Angry farmers that wanted more power in government were called A. Exodusters, B. Cowboys and ranchers, or C. Populists. Question 2. Read the passage. Which law did this come from? Here's the passage. Be it enacted that any person who is the head of a family or who has arrived at the age of 21 years and is a citizen of the United States shall, after the 1st of January, 1863, be entitled to enter 1/4 section of unappropriated public lands. May 20th, 1862. So which law did this passage come from? Was it A, the Interstate Commerce Act, B, the Pacific Railway Act, or C, the Homestead Act? Question 3. Which group gained the most from the government's payments of $48,000 and 640 acres of land for every mile of track that was put down? Was it A, railroad owners, B, settlers, or C, miners? Question 4. Which of the following was not a problem for miners? Was it A, strong competition from other miners, B, merchants charging high prices for basic needs, or C, pressure from the United States government to treat Native Americans respectfully? Question 5. Why did cowboys move their cattle north from Texas along the Chisholm Trail? A, to sell their cattle to rich ranchers in Oklahoma, B, to ship their cattle to markets in eastern cities like Chicago, or C, to find better grazing land for their cattle in states like Kansas? Number 6. Making Indian culture more closely resemble white culture is called A, assimilation, B, extinction, or C, allotment. Number 7. What occupation did most African American exodusters choose in the West? So what job did they choose the most? Was it A, cowboys, B, soldiers, or C, farmers? Number 8. What were the two largest groups of immigrants that worked on the Transcontinental Railroad? A, Germans and Japanese, B, Irish and Chinese, or C, Italians and Russians? Number 9. According to the map, in 1890, most Native American reservations were located in which state? A, Idaho, B, Oklahoma, or C, Montana? You can double check your map that I attached with your test for this as well, a little bigger version there. And number 10, which development closed the open range for cattle ranching? Was it A, barbed wire, B, the Transcontinental Railroad, or C, the Battle of Little Bighorn? All right, when you're all done, make sure you have your name on it and turn it in. Thanks so much.